All right, shifting gears here as you get ready to head out your door this morning. Let's look at your weather and your traffic.
Meteorologist Jeff Martinez here with the forecast. Good morning.
Hi guys, good morning Kyle.
This is your best video by far.
Well, my goodness, thank you very much. Yeah, this is a good one. This is a cave rock right here at Lake Tahoe. Majestic cave rock. And look how pretty this is.
Look at that.
Head up here during sunset and you'll get some spectacular views like this. Yeah, you can hike up right to the top here and you get amazing views of Lake Tahoe. Look at that during sunset. All right, Lake Tahoe, you have a winter weather advisory up, begins today all the way through Sunday evening as we're up there having a nice little hike. So we're going to see some snow, maybe several inches of snow at lake level, a couple feet of snow up in the higher elevations as our storm begins to move on through. We still have a little window here to travel over the passes before the chain controls. I'm expecting later on this afternoon and evening. 37 degrees your current temperature as you walk out the door, get that coffee going, and here it is. A couple of low pressure systems coming together and they will be impacting our area kind of through the weekend, especially tonight through Saturday will be the brunt of it coming on through, and Sunday just a few lingering showers. Radar showing some maybe light precipitation already up towards Susanville, but as we head into say 11 o'clock 12 o'clock lunchtime, here comes the storm. Snow in the mountains. Chain controls likely this afternoon all the way through tonight. That's tonight at 11 o'clock. And again, we can see a good foot or two of snow all the way down through Mammoth Lakes. That's just the first wave. All day Saturday is going to be rather stormy. Low pressure will be right over us, spinning around and spinning up the storms. Look at this Lovelock. May even see a rumble of thunder here. That's 6 o'clock Saturday, and it kind of keeps on going through Sunday as well. So watch out for that. And finally, by about Sunday afternoon, we'll start to clear things up somewhat. So I think Easter Sunday, the latter part shouldn't be too bad. But if you have travel plans, plan on the chain controls in the mountains beginning today through Saturday. And then by Sunday, should start to clear up a little bit. Next week, not bad. 60s are back Tuesday, Wednesday. Have a great day.
Great. I will be poolside by next Wednesday.
Nice. Oh, right. That sounds like a plan.
Enjoying the sun.
Thank you, Jeff. All right, let's check on your morning commute now with our traffic reporter, Johnny B. in the sunny 106.9 Traffic Center.